DVT IDE for Visual Studio Code is available for download on the VS Code Marketplace. To install the extension, go to the Extensions view, search for AMIC DVT, and press the Install button. Mine the minimum required VS Code version. Alternatively, you can launch the Quick Open bar using the Ctrl-P key binding, type extinstall AMIC DVT, and press Enter. For more information about managing extensions, check the link in the description. In order to enable DVT's features, you must set the license source. To do this, from the command palette, run Preferences, open Settings, then search for DVT license source. The license source can be specified as a file path if you're using a local license, or as ported host if you're using a license server. To get familiar with DVT, you can start by using one of the predefined projects. From the command palette, run Open a predefined project. Select one of the available projects and the target directory where the project will be created. Once the build is done, the tool is ready to use. To start working on your own project, use the Create a Project command. Select the project location, then press the Open button. If the open folder is empty, you will be required to select the languages you plan to use. Otherwise, these will be detected automatically, depending on the types of source files found within the folder. The .dvt folder containing project-specific configurations is created in the project's root directory. The auto-generated default build contains a single autoconfig directive that tells DVT to scan the project and figure out what files need to be compiled. If you already have some file lists or argument files that you pass to the simulator, you can simply reuse them in the build configuration file, then rebuild your project by using the rebuild command.